Hey, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Welcome back to my channel for a cool quick guide review. You remember that I tried for the first time Nintendo Switch? I just found out that you can use your Nintendo Switch on your TV or on your monitor, and I'll show you how to assemble the system or the set to use your Nintendo Switch with your TV or monitor. You will just need a dock station and I'll show everything else. Let's check the Nintendo Switch components first. Now this is the Nintendo Switch, its screen, and these are called Joy-Cons. You remove them from the main screen. Which, by the way, also can be used as a small TV. Look, it has this cool stand here that you can remove and you can put. And you can put like this. Isn't that extremely convenient? For example, if you go on a trip or something, you don't need to hold your Nintendo Switch all the time like this to watch something. You can always put it like this and use it as a tablet with this cool stand here on the back. Really nice from Nintendo Switch. Also, one more thing. When you play on the Nintendo Switch itself, the resolution is 720p, but when you connect it to a monitor or TV, the resolution goes up to 1080p. That's actually cool. In the set of Nintendo Switch, when you buy it, you have this part that reminds me of joystick, and you plug the Joy-Cons into it. You slide them, number 1 and number 2. It reminds of a cool joystick. Joy-Cons, Nintendo Switch special joystick. This is a dock station that also comes into the set with Nintendo Switch. On the back of the dock station, you see we need a AC adapter, we have USB and we have HDMI out. In order to use your Nintendo Switch on a TV or on a monitor, you need to have an HDMI cable. The AC adapter here, the cable, gives electric to the dock station so the machine can get charged at the same time. And we have convenient USB port as well. What do? It's super easy. We have connected our OWL monitor, which is gaming monitor by the way, with cool refresh rate. We place the dock station. Now we put this into the dock station. By the way, when you play on your Nintendo Switch inside the dock station, it also gets charged at the same time. It's pretty cool, that means your game never dies. There is a green light indicator here that shows you that your Nintendo Switch is being charged. And here we are. Time to have some fun with some Nintendo Switch games. You can go also into YouTube. You can watch your videos. For example, search. You can take keyboard out. Do you see? It actually looks 1080p. This is my room tour with Zodiac, by the way. He's also a YouTuber, so you should definitely watch it. That's part of my new series, room tours of YouTubers and people with cool setups. Of course, the main reason you get this is not to watch YouTube. It is to play games. You go into your home menu. And you can play Fortnite, you're connected to the internet, Mortal Kombat, all of the game that you have, Minecraft. This is a very cool solution if you have more than one gamer in your house and only one computer and one console like Nintendo Switch. No, Nintendo Switch is cheaper than PlayStation and it does pretty nice job as well. It would be even more cooler if Nintendo Switch has a display port inside the dock station, not HDMI. Let's see how it looks to game on it. It's actually nice. How the hell do you kick this stuff? Do you know how? How do you shoot?